It's 2026. The quantified self era isn't just for Silicon Valley billionaires anymore. It's for us. We've moved past counting steps and trying to sleep better. We are now in the age of real-time biological intervention. Last time, we fixed your frame. Today, we're upgrading the OS. We're looking at the top 5 biohacking gadgets that are actually worth the hype this year, tools that can literally tweak your brain chemistry, manage your metabolism, and turn your sleep into a superpower. But here's the catch: with great tech comes the high risk of over-optimizing yourself into a burnout. We're talking precautions, we're talking ROI, and we're continuing our sprint to 1 million subscribers. If you want to be part of the most optimized tribe on the internet, you're in the right place. Number 1, the Gen 3 Continuous Metabolic Monitor, CMM. In 2024, we had CGMs for glucose. In 2026, we have CMMs. These don't just track sugar, they track lactate, ketones, and even hydration levels in real time. Why does a 20-year-old need this? Because healthy is subjective. That smoothie that gives your friend main character energy might be giving you a massive insulin spike and a 3 p.m. brain fog crash. The hack: use this to find your God mode fuel. It's like having a dashboard for your car, but for your bloodstream. Precaution: don't become obsessive. If you start fearing a piece of fruit because of a graph, you're doing it wrong. Data is a tool, not a jailer. Number 2, Wearable Vagus Nerve Stimulators, VNS. Let's be real, our generation is the most anxious in history. We are constantly in fight or flight mode because of notifications, deadlines, and the general state of the world. These devices use transcutaneous auricular vagus nerve stimulation. Basically, they send a tiny, painless electrical pulse to your vagus nerve, which tells your nervous system to chill out. It forces you into the rest and digest state in under 3 minutes. The hack: use it before a big presentation, a high-stakes gaming match, or right before bed to tank your heart rate variability, HRV, into the green. Number 3, AI-integrated neurofeedback bands. This isn't just a meditation app. This is a literal EEG on your forehead. In 2026, these headsets use AI to detect when your brain is in alpha, focus, beta, alert, or theta, creative, states. It's gamified focus. If you struggle with ADHD or doom-scrolling brain, this teaches you what focus actually feels like. You're training your brain like a muscle. Precaution: your brain needs default mode network time, aka daydreaming. Don't try to stay in focus mode for 16 hours a day, or you'll fry your creative circuits. Number 4, Bioadaptive Lighting and Near-Infrared (NIR) masks. We are indoor aliens. We spend 90% of our time under trash fluorescent lights that mess up our mitochondria and our skin. Red light therapy, photobiomodulation, at the 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers wavelengths isn't just for skincare influencers anymore. It's for ATP production. It helps your cells produce energy more efficiently and speeds up muscle recovery. The hack: 10 minutes of red light in the morning to set your circadian rhythm and 10 minutes at night to repair the damage from your screen's blue light. Number 5, the 2026 Ultra Ring. Forget the bulky watches. The latest smart rings now have medical-grade accuracy. They track your respiratory rate, blood oxygen, SpO2, and, most importantly, your recovery score. The most alpha thing you can do in 2026 is know when not to work out. If your ring tells you your CNS, central nervous system, is fried, and you hit a heavy leg day anyway? That's not grind set, that's just bad math. Precaution, these sensors can sometimes glitch. If you feel like a 10 out of 10 but your ring says you're a 2 out of 10, trust your body over the hardware. Here is the big picture precaution. Biohacking is addictive. You can get so caught up in the data that you forget to actually live. 1. Tech is a supplement. No gadget replaces 8 hours of sleep, a clean diet, and actual sunlight. 2. Privacy. Remember, this is your biological data. In 2026, your biodata is more valuable than your credit card info. Only use encrypted, reputable platforms. 3. Cost. Don't go into debt for a smart ring. The best biohacks, walking, fasting, and breathing, are totally free. We are building the most tech-forward, healthiest community on this platform. We're pushing for 1 million subscribers because the future belongs to those who own their biology. If you want to see a 30-day experiment where I use all of these gadgets at once, hit that like button. If we get 50,000 likes, I'll do it and show you my internal blood work before and after. Comment below, what's the one biohack you swear by? Or is this all voodoo tech to you? Let's fight it out in the comments. Upgrade your hardware, protect your software. I'll see you in the next one.